Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kalong ka jingkmen ka bakraw ya ka school St. Edmund'S High Secondary School Shillong. Masashi siyen kani ka school kalapaw biyang ka result Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate ha ka art stream hadian ba Meghalaya Board of School Education. Kalapin banay ya kani ka result mentakas ni tok dieng ka arpun ridrik banay jamang arajar arpulay. Laban pen kan mau. Baka school St. Edmund'S ha kasngi baka ambos kalapin mi ya ka result kata ha ka kandai trik banay jamang kalapaw baha kaliang ka science stream bat kumju ka commerce stream. Ketika school kalapaw biyang mentaka kenti hadian baka wei ka Samla khasi. Ya ka bala tip kerteng kum ka Avelyne Francisca Khriam kalayo banrung ha ka top 10 ha ka ba kalayo ya ka second position. Habayo ban ya kran baka tika Samla kalapan paw ka jing sngo kumen ka bakraw hadian ka jing yok het jongka ya uniu so ka jing job. Ketika Samla kalaong baka jing temu jongka kalong bandet ya ka BCE. Bat hadian kata ka sapet ya ka bahadian Par ketika Samla kala ai men si mi ki weiru ki para Samla bakin le bah bat bakin krek kon nadu ka basdang bakin yo ban khet yo so ka jingjam ha ba yo ban ya kran bu kpa jong ketika Samla ulo ong ba kum ki kimi ki kpa ki de ban long kum ki parlok bat ki khun jong ki namar kani ka yarap shibun ban snotho ya ka jingmot bat ka jingtrang jong ki khun
Ngari Avelyne Francisca Khriam rayo ya ka second position ngari khun jing ba ni ko siya Khriam kini khapar mas long tuition ang kulang ham mudur man yo ya second position issue ba bai I know you play ni make pa kini kai ba lo zaga but we keep a lot chama ki bro jela na kasi tangkat sa thare kamli ba habshu khre kon bai ro shisi tama balo hi dan ki kam banne te omli ba habshu ban khre kon ro shisi hne thare Ngidi ban prioritize the agenda for exams ini habai spek hai ki kon ngidi ban shimlas khnya khnya ngidi ban chuk khra kathan unto dari bangai kon 4 hours the agenda for exams the 5-6 hours na full here but breaks in between minta long very interested ha computer applications yang amun shim BCA hadin man sampai shushu pat ki dan hadin jobat Mam don't you experiment on ham expect long adang mud hi banyo ki da sum ha da banyo kat ka second position da na ham ko kat na aru na shu so long I go my god mathai ki dei pha ban sa pha class ho ting kala long e ha ban concentrate hala ba la ban concentrate 30 minutes ai na mathai if you concentrate ba classroom and then the feel revise a kat ba fi pulil the feel la make reflection and kajinja ha mai mashi go bon ki anxiety for exams because amba ban ne pha dama ayo ki anxiety attacks ka shijja ha the I think when meditate is very important during exams ba kai la ban calm down with it I just like to say all the best to the next batch okay they come to do it give you
so Kong so wo ulai mar ba lai rat iki bakin system mela dia ban nadu dang det hadu kani ka pot bakin kai pot ban kawai ke ba na so long ba gon kim jule tuition ni hadu kani ka pot ke pulih ban kani ka de ke ba iyo ka foundation ke ba yang nadu ka pot ki stang ka jing pulih ni ke so ta ka de ko san ni ngin kam long pelun ni mi ka kam long restrict ki khun Avelyne ni ikun basau, but baru ikun ni juga restrict. Avelyne juga cimenta ki sports, hak por school. Jadi gue ni kini orang kai nak ke district level, buat state level. Mai dalin dia kai nak ke Delhi, buat apa Manipur, tungki athletes. Jadi nanti jangan dek ni juga seluruh ini, but ni juga dan gano no jeng hang lalu ki hendrai gue ke bangi juga ni, kalau mai di ban minat ya kat, mai kuliah, kenang wa kan ya kan buat kai ke bangi. Angut buat kai ke coba kita ada kan kemudian kau kami kipa di berlok ki perlok buat ki kun kan kan yarap sibun bersuatu ya ka jeng angut yang ki ya ka jeng terang ki buat ngim dai put pressure ya ka ke ba ngini kwa ring ben sap ya ka ba ki kun ki kwa ni di ban hun ya ka ba ki mon man le ka tung ka jeng smart ka jeng kwa ki wa ki dong kami ka guidance ki dong kami ka jeng rap ka jeng pen ilam jeng ki ku pa nama wilayah cepat bila kami ibu ni jengeh Rai kaba hadu ni di ban bukan mau boleh bentukan ban ni di ban butang di jingwai nak bagi pun kita nang ba inna ban long rang ba ai koi si hadin ho ni ko e so ban ai ko lei ya ka school ka ba isdang ban puli ni ko e na ko lo do convent bat kum ju ru ya ka ni ka St. Edmund'S higher secondary school tu la diang ni ya tu for in the way ni student ni school lam da don kanu no jinge banwat admission tap ko Edmund'S la yo Edmund'S ni start e wat ni start kino hikai ki bolong kino erap ki ba ai bor ai boi ki ba hikai ki perlok jong i ke ba ki jia consult na ko for sa ko for bat ki men jong i ru ki ba erap i men ru ni doi na ka daw ba ban ai men sim ban ai bor ban tendency ban slur ban ju discourage ni ha kan no kam ba ya ni.
Good morning. I am Brother Ignalo Benjamin, Principal of St. Edmund'S Higher Secondary School. Today is a very special day for us. The Class 12 Arts results were declared and many of our students have done well. Some of them have secured ranks. The student who got the second place is Avelyne Khriam. We would like to congratulate her family for all the hard work that they have done, and also all the other students who have cleared the exam. Congratulations to all of them, and also congratulations to our teachers who have worked hard preparing them for the board exam, not just before the exam but over the past 2 years. So hard work and dedication does bear fruit, and today I feel that all this dedication and commitment and hard work has borne fruit. So congratulations to all these students, and congratulations to the team of teachers who have worked hard preparing them to face this challenge. And they have very successfully overcome this challenge by doing well in their exam. I also take this opportunity to wish all of them the very best in their future endeavors. I believe St. Edmund'S Higher Secondary School has had good results in arts, so this year is no exception as such. There are many students who have secured highest even in the board, for example in geography, alternative English, mathematics, sociology. So these students are ones who have worked to their full potential. And I believe if students work to their full potential, they will definitely see good results, and they are the ones who will be the most happiest. Yes, as principal, I would like to always say that hard work pays in the end. As a student, even I have worked hard and I have seen good results in my own life. So I would like to see that all my students work hard wherever they are, whatever they are doing, and there's always high dividends for hard work. I'm sure that these students, as they go along pursuing their dream, I'm sure they will work hard and they would see good results as they go along pursuing their dream. I'm sure they will work hard and they would see good results as they move on. I'm not too sure of this, why only one student could clear the exam, but definitely I think right from the bottom, right from primary school onwards, students should have that discipline of hard work. And I think in this day and age, there are many students who tend to take it lightly, tend to take it easy. Hard work is not really part of their life. Sorry to say this, but there are students who work hard. There are students who know what it means to work hard. And I think these students are ones who are rewarded because they work hard. And I think these students stand out. They are models to us that other students can imitate, follow, and work hard to become like them, maybe, to achieve good results. I think that students should always work hard, not just before the exam, but through the year. That personal study on a daily basis is very important.